What do you need to prepare to install the lights? First is a switch on the wall to control the light strip on and off, like this. Separates from your ceiling lights. It's a separate switch just to control our light strip. Second thing is either a socket on the wall or hardwire on the wall to connect the driver. The most easy way is to have a socket on the wall so you can connect to this kind of portable sockets. There's multiple connectors for the drivers. What do you need to install the light strips? Mainly is the driver, distributor box, extension cable, and the light strips. First thing is connect the light strip to this distributor box and turn the switch on and off. So it's on. And turn the switch off and it's off. If the light strip is not long enough, then you can use this extension cable to extend the length. One side connect to the distributor box and the other side connect to the light strip. So you can extend the distance. The light can be on and off, controlled by the wall switch separately. One thing very important you need to pay attention is the power of the driver. Like this one, the power is 30 watts. For our light strip, 1 meter of light strip is about 8 watts. So one 30-watt driver can carry about 4 to 5 meters of light strip. Please don't overload too much, otherwise it will affect the light's shelf life and also its brightness.